Hi, welcome to Get Fit with the BodySmith. I am Flex Smith, and I'd like to thank you for stopping by today. So today, can I talk to you about satisfying your distractions? Is that all right? What do I mean by this, right? Listen, let's keep it simple. If you're hungry, eat. If you're tired, get some rest. And if you need a mental break, give yourself an opportunity to recover and to relax. But most importantly, let's satisfy all the distractions that's going to stop you from taking away from this moment to exercise. All right? Let's commit to being here and let's satisfy those distractions before we begin. All right? So today, we are going to be working your entire body. We're going to start from the ground up, and we're going to begin by doing some jogging in place. All right, we're going to do this for 30 seconds to just warm those legs up and that entire body up, because we're going to begin from the ground up today. So here we go, 30 seconds, let's get it. We're going to start to get on moving here. There we go. And we're just doing a nice little body scan, all right? Checking in from head to toe, seeing how we're feeling, right? Getting that energy going, waking the body up. That's what we want. Now, here's some other opportunities you can take advantage of. Let's engage that core, all right? Let's engage that core, and let's get that body moving. 10 seconds to go. You're doing a great job. We're still jogging in place here. There we go. Yeah, fill that body out. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna go into our side hops here, all right? Side to side on a 45-degree angle. I'm not going side to side this way. I'm jumping on a 45-degree angle, okay? Check out the footwork if you need to. One's going forward while the other one's going back. And if it helps, you can move your hands up and down to remind yourself to go side to side. And we're still working here. 5 seconds remaining. We're switching again to the other side in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Yeah. All right, you're wondering how I did that, right? Okay. It'll take a little bit of time. I had a little bit more practice. All right, we just keep moving side to side. All we're doing is waking that body up, getting that blood flowing, checking our body from head to toe. Do we feel heavy? Do we feel light? Hey, are we distracted, right? Let's check in and be focused. Let's be present, and let's have a good time. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Go ahead and relax. Now we got a little bit of that blood flowing. If you need some water, go ahead and do so. We're gonna take 30 seconds and we're gonna get right back to it. We're gonna repeat those 3 exercises, okay? Still waking that body up. All right, here we go. You have 15 seconds remaining. Oh yeah, here we go. Let's keep that body moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. This time I want you to move a little bit faster, all right? Move those legs up a little bit higher. Good, come on. There you go, we're just getting started. Let's keep working. 15 seconds here, still moving. Hands going up and down, right? Still moving for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Into those side hops again on a 45-degree angle for 30 seconds. Here we go, we're still working. Still working, still moving. There you go, great job. Here we go. Let's go. Let's go, come on. I see you. I see you, keep on working. You're doing a great job here. Again, we're on a 45-degree angle. We're not going side to side. We're just doing it on a 45-degree angle. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. There it is, yeah. Beautiful job, nice transition that time. I see you keeping up with me. Good, keep going. There we go. Has your legs caught fire yet? You feeling the calf muscles? Good, keep working. Keep working, there you go, 10 seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, 1, and relax. 30 seconds, here we go. Nice little recovery time, grab some water. Welcome yourself into this environment. Give yourself the freedom to stay away from those distractions and focus on you this time, okay? It's your time. So as promised, we're gonna start from the ground up. So we're gonna begin working our calf muscles, okay? I'm gonna ask you to turn your feet outward, like so, like you're doing a plie, okay, for my ballet people, all right? And I want you to go all the way up on your toes, okay? We're gonna do one set of these exercises, right? Because I promise you, you're gonna feel them tomorrow, okay? So follow my lead. I'm gonna go 1, 1, 2, okay? Does that make sense? As we start to count up a number, we're gonna still stay up in that number. So follow what I'm doing here, okay? Next time it'll make more sense. So here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. We're going up. 1. Good. 1, 2. Beautiful. Come on. 1, 2, 3. All the way up on your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I'm talking about. Use those legs. 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. You should feel that blood pumping right into those calf muscles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. We're doing great. We're going all the way up to 10. Stay with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, and 7. Are they burning yet? Yeah? Okay, good. We're still working. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7. All the way up on the toes. 8, 9, and 10. There we go. Beautiful job, right? Still working. I know we jumped a little bit ahead there, but I wanted to give you an opportunity to see what it feels like to get there. All right, we're still working here. Here we go, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go, still going. All right, 1, 2, 3. Calves should be burning. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good. One more. Here we go. I told you we're going up to 10. You ready? Good. Quads, calves burning, and everything. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good. All the way up. 4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to now turn our feet inward, okay? Your calf muscles should be burning right now. You're probably really upset with flex, but it's all good. I'm doing it with love. Here we go. All the way up on the toes in 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Relax. 1, 2. Good. Look at my feet. Turned inward. 1, 2, 3. Good. If you're not feeling it, turn it some more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Excellent work. You're still doing a great job here. 1, 2. All the way up. 3. Good. 4. Good. 5, 6. Beautiful job. Keep working. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 5, 6, and 7. They burning yet? Come on. 1, 2. Good. Up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Almost there. Come on. I promise you got this. And you're like, oh, we're just working our calves. You're right, but you're engaged with that muscle. Let's connect that mind to that muscle. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. Here we go. We're almost there. Shake it out. I know you're feeling that lactic acid building up, but we're building those muscles the right way. Let's use them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. You're doing a great job. We have one more, and then we're going to turn our feet forward, okay? Here we go. All the way in. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the way up to the toes. 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful job. Shake it out if you need to. I know you're feeling it because I am, right? Okay, here we go. Toes pointed forward. And again, like I promised, we're only gonna do one set in every single direction. You're gonna feel these tomorrow. I apologize now, but I'm doing it with love. Here we go. All the way up on the toes. 1. There you go. Come on. 1, 2. Pump it up. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way up on the toes every single time. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep going. We're almost there. 1. Good. 2. Up. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Keep on pushing no matter what, right? 1, 2. Good. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Keep on going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. This is 9. We're gonna do one more here. 5, 4, 3, all the way up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There we go. Go ahead and grab some water. I know you need it. I'm apologizing again. I know your calves gotta be on fire, but doesn't it feel good to know that they're burning and that you're alive? Good. Grab some water. We're gonna jump right back into it, okay? I'm gonna move right along and we're gonna get into deadlifts now. We're gonna move from the calves. We're gonna now go into the hamstrings. I'm turning to my side so you can see me push back, okay? My head is forward. And as I'm going down, I'm gonna feel the stretching of my hamstrings and my glutes. I'm gonna push up and squeeze. Here we go, all the way down here. Stretching, 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 pushing up and squeezing the glutes. Again, pushing back. I'm not doing a squat, so you shouldn't be going lower as if you're lowering yourself to the floor. What we're doing is we're pushing back so we can stretch. Push up through the heels and squeeze the glutes, okay? Again, what you squeeze those muscles like, you will create. So if you're squeezing like cotton, they're gonna feel soft as cotton, right? But if you're squeezing like diamond, you're gonna feel like they're diamonds, okay? So push back and squeeze. 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go one more. Stretch, 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 push up and squeeze. Beautiful job, right? Now we got the calves warmed up. Hamstrings decided to join us. Now we're gonna go into the hamstrings some more. We're gonna go into the quads and we're gonna hit the glutes by doing some really, really deep squats, okay? So feet outside of shoulder width. We're gonna sit all the way back and I want you to go as deep as you can go, okay? Push up and squeeze the glutes. The only way we're gonna activate or get the most out of the hamstrings is by sitting below 90 degrees, okay? We're still pushing back. We're still working. Weight is on the heels. We're pushing up and we're squeezing. And right now you're probably like, man, I really want to focus on my squat, but my calves are still burning. Good. You need your calves to support this movement. So you will get a little bit of activation there. Again, I apologize in advance, but guess what? I'm doing it with love. That's right. There we go. Sitting back, sitting down. Here we go. 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, and squeeze. We're gonna now go down on our bellies here. We're gonna go into the Supermans so that we can work our lower back. And then we're gonna switch and work our glutes with the glute bridge. Here we go. We're lying down, we're pouring sweat. We have our hands underneath our chin. We're gonna go ahead and lift just the upper body, okay? I'm gonna leave my legs where they are. I'm gonna lift up and lower, okay? I'm looking for a lower back contraction. And then I'm going back down. Good. We're going up and down. You're doing a beautiful job here. Keep working. Keep working. I see you're doing a great job here. You have 10 seconds. There we go. Still working. All the way up and down. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful job. We're gonna go ahead and switch over into the glute bridge. How we doing? You keeping up? You still thinking about your abs? Excuse me, your calves? Okay, good. I need you to satisfy that distraction. Let's get on with our glute bridges here, okay? Here we go, feet are nice and flat. Back is flat. I'm gonna keep my entire foot flat, but I'm gonna push up through my heels and squeeze those glutes, okay? Sit back and down. Push up and squeeze. Sit back and down. Push up and squeeze those glutes. You're doing a great job all the way down. And if you want to feel, go ahead and place your hands on your glutes. Make sure that you're getting the response out of your glutes that you want, okay? Again, you're pushing up through your heels, sitting back down and pushing up and squeezing again. You have 10 seconds here, still working. You're doing a beautiful job as we're building those glutes. We're sitting down and we're pushing up through those heels. Beautiful job. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna go into sumo squats for 30 seconds, okay? Sumo squats, 30 seconds. Stepping wide, rotating the feet out, and we're going deep. Here we go. Sit back and down. Good. Push up and squeeze. There you go. Sitting back and down, pushing up and squeeze. Again, I'm looking to get a full range of motion every single time. I want to sit nice and deep every single time, and I'm pushing up through my heels, right? Pushing up through those heels so I can engage and squeeze those glutes. Here you go, 10 seconds. Beautiful job. Here we go, exhale and push and squeeze. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Go ahead and grab a seat. Wow, we made it. You made it. Great job today. Man, it feels like we just started, doesn't it? You did amazing. This is what I like for each and every one of your experiences to feel like. When you go to exercise, enjoy the process. Put everything away. Take time for you because you need it. And the people that depend on you need you to be the best version of yourself, and you cannot be that person unless you take care of you. Let's take this final moment to go ahead and close our eyes. Take some nice deep breaths in through the nose. Fill the belly with air. Go ahead and exhale out through the mouth. I also like you to thank yourself for giving it every single thing you had today. Continue to breathe for me in through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. I thank you for being present. I thank you for satisfying your distractions, and most importantly, I thank you for taking this moment to build you. Great job. Go ahead and open your eyes. Welcome back. Hope you had a great time today. I sure did have a great time with you. Feel free to visit bewelltv.online so that you can see more episodes just like this. Okay, I'm right there with you along this health and wellness journey. There are more resources that are available to you, so check it out. I'll see you soon. Have a great rest of your day. Remember, for your next experience and your next moment, satisfy your distractions so that you can maximize your opportunities and your experience. Have a great rest of your day.